Hello everyone and welcome back to our video newsletter. In this video I'm going to talk to you about Marchman Acts and where they should be filed. So most of our clients, be it mums and dads, spouses, siblings, they call us from other parts of the country and sometimes even out of the country. And they're calling us because their loved one is either here in Florida or they're coming here to Florida and they want us to file a Marchman Act. And they say, well, my loved one is not a resident of Florida. In fact, they're not even a resident of the United States. Can we file the case? And if we can, where do we file it? So the jurisdiction of the court, in other words, which county do we file the case in, is going to be determined by one thing and one thing only. Where is the person physically located at the time that we go to file the case? So if the person, for instance, is in Palm Beach County, I'm going to file the case there. If they're in Broward, I'm going to file the case there. They might even be in, they could be on the west coast of Florida. They could be in central Florida. They could be in northern Florida. I've filed cases as far north as Leon County, which is Tallahassee. And so that's where the case needs to be filed. Now, the great thing, one of the sort of advances in the legal profession, which is always, several years behind the rest of the professions, is that we now have this wonderful electronic filing system. And what that means is that, with a click of a button, when I go to electronically file the case, the filing system will say, okay, Mark, which county do you want to file this case in? Okay, you want to file in Leon County or Palm Beach County or Broward. I just have to pick the county and whoosh, off it goes. So it doesn't matter. Way back when I started practicing 27 years ago now, and it's hard to believe that it's been that long, but 27 years ago when I started to practice, everything had to literally be mailed. And that took, the snail mail took forever. And so can you imagine filing a case in one county, and by the time it's, the clerk receives it, stamps it, processes it, and gets it in front of a judge, the person's now moved to another county. I got to refile the whole case again. So look, if that actually happens, and does happen sometimes, where we'll go to file a case and the person then moves to another jurisdiction, no problem. I just refile the case. Click of a button, boom, it's in the other county. So when it comes to filing Marchman Acts, and even this can even apply to a guardianship, the county that has jurisdiction is the county in which the person is physically located. Residency has nothing to do with it. Take care. I hope that answers the question, and be safe.